Welcome to another CloudWord tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to quickly install the Ease Starter app into Google Cloud. CloudWord Ease Installer provides step-by-step guidance to simplify the creation of your Google Cloud project, storage, and drive. Let's review these simple steps. First, you create your Google Cloud project. Then, you set up cloud storage and Cloud SQL. Next, the Ease Starter app will be uploaded into your cloud project. Then, run the final Starter app configuration scripts. To start, run easeinstaller.com and click Sign In. Authorize access when prompted. To start the wizard process, select Upload App in the navigation bar and select CloudWord Starter app as your app type. While running the wizard, simply follow the instructions and fill in the fields as prompted. Click Next to go to the following step. We'll start with the Cloud Console. This is where we create a new project. Just enter a project name and a unique ID and click Create. The project ID will be the appspot.com subdomain. A custom domain can be added later. Enter the project ID into the wizard to complete this step. Now let's continue with the configuration of your cloud project. Start by opening the Google Cloud Console to enable access to Google Drive. You enable the Drive API by setting the status to On. To continue setting up Google Drive, register your app. Then open Project Credentials to start. Project credentials require a client ID and secret to access Google Drive. Think of these credentials as a username and password. Click Create a new client ID to start. Next, copy the two URLs from the wizard and insert them into the authorized JavaScript box. The authorized redirect URL will autofill. Then click Create Client ID. This creates your IDs and registers your AppSpot URL with Google Cloud. Copy the new client ID and client secret into the wizard, so the installer registers these credentials in your app. From here, the wizard will ask you to enable Google's required cloud billing, review Google's pricing, and select your Cloud SQL locale. After enabling billing, click Next to continue. The last step is the one-time authorization to allow uploads to Google Drive. Click to authorize and copy the token into the wizard. To ensure everything is correct, review your information. If you need to make a change, simply follow the link back to the proper section. Click Upload to start the final configuration of your cloud project. You are now uploading Ease into your cloud project and a development copy to Google Drive. A series of status messages will direct you to a progress bar. This shows your app is installed and the development copy of Ease is uploading. Once uploads are complete, run the install scripts for your new app to start configuring content. From My Apps in the Ease Installer menu, click on Visit Site. Grant access and click through the welcome screen. Fill out the form for your admin account and click Submit. Now comes the fun part. Browse through the icon themes. Preview ones you like by clicking on the image. When you like a certain preview, click Create and Submit to save. Or you can go back to continue reviewing. Selected themes can be changed later. Once the theme is selected, the Ease Starter app will automatically create your app's Google Sheets. When your Google Sheet is completed, you will land on the Website Content folder in your app's admin section. The Content folder contains the pages you create for your site. The Setup Wizard guides you through the setup process and lists the pages that haven't been defined yet. Go to Setup Home to start defining your content. In Edit Website Content, you can modify your site's default style and change things like menus, site title, and colors. To reset the style, just change the theme. We will cover content setup in more detail in upcoming videos. Thank you for taking the time to see how easy it is to install the Ease Starter. For more information, please visit CloudWord at www.cloudword.com.